of all this, you know, आपने भी सोचा था I'm going into this industry.
Right.
So somewhere you never know, people can connect you with the actor or act.
Right.
So how you prepare yourself?
I never thought that this will happen to me, but yeah, finally, if it is happening, I just don't give my much attention to the gossips. And if it is a healthy criticism, I will definitely accept it. But if it is going in a negative way, I will try to, you know, don't let
Yes.
it come to my head and, you know, try to focus on my work, because right now, I really want to focus on my work, my
Yes.
career, and that is
She is
the
single,
most.
let me tell you. You are
Yes,
single,
yes.
not ready to mingle.
No, I'm on to focus on my work, my career, and that's the most important. My cinema, is my first love, and it will
Yeah.
always be my first.
Maybe
love.
must be people loving your Raj Tarun and your Jodi is going
Yeah,
rocking.
that is quite
That's
possible.
why people are like, you know, loving it, and the most
Yeah.
of the tsunami masalas are going around about
Yeah,
you.
because see, he's also a good performer. I also give my, so people might love our
And it's your
chemistry in the
first
film.
Telugu movie with the start of a sentiments respect hoti hai. They become
Right.
your friends.
Yeah.
Like we see Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol.
Yeah,
Like Ajay Devgan के साथ तब्बू जी को लगा दिया जाता है. They
Yeah.
are good friends.
they are good friends.
So
yeah.
I think in industry it always works. Who's your first eye, you have a sentiments, you
Right,
know.
right,
So how
right.
you take that friendship, and you know when it comes to friendship.
I feel that if you are a good friend, if you meet good people in your life, you can be friends with them all your life.
Yes.
And the best thing about our industry is, like, if we meet good people,
Yes.
we can keep them for life.
I know.
And if we meet some filthy people, it's okay. We'll work for them for 30-40 days, and then we'll say
we'll-
bye bye.
yeah, yeah.
So it's up to us. Like, if you want to keep them friends or if you want to leave them, so we still have that choice. People from other industry, they don't have that choice.
Yes,
You
yes.
have to, if you like them, if you don't like them, you have to see those
See
same
that.
office colleagues every day.
Yes.
That
no
is
doubt.
true. That is true. Yeah.
So would you like to reveal something that is going to excite more about this movie? And you are no doubt it's your first project.
Yeah.
So how you take it on the level? I mean, this will be in pan India or it's in Telugu only?
They
going
are
to happen?
for OTT. I think they are releasing in all the languages, but it's for Telugu.
How your friends are like, you know, your friends must be from north, like they
Yeah.
are saying, oh, when is your Telugu movies coming? Because now Telugu cinema is on the big level.
Yeah, it is
Huh.
globally known after RRR winning Oscar. Definitely, it's globally known, and I'm very proud to be a part of Telugu cinema right now. And it's just the starting. I want to do more and more Telugu films in future, and I'm looking forward to work with every Telugu actor in future.
I know. And especially the support system is very important, you know. When these gossips come around, I think the strong part is we need to support each other. In
Yeah.
family also,
Yeah.
when something goes wrong, brother or sister or parents,
Yeah.
so somewhere father comes, okay, I'll support you, daughter, don't worry. When
Yeah.
something comes on father, daughter say, don't worry, I'm there for you.
Right.
So at that time, when the situation is so like different way every day coming, maybe your co-actor Raj Tarun in stress, how you want to support him or like say something for him so that he,
See, I really don't understand what is his personal life,
Yeah.
what he's going through. I really don't know. But I just wish that, you know, everything falls into place, and everything right should happen to everyone, even if this girl, even if Raj. I just feel that, you know, everyone should live their life in
Yes,
peace. That
yes.
is my advice to everyone. And creating unnecessary issues and ruckus doesn't you know, make any sense to anyone. And rest I don't know, everyone has
but
their own.
during the sets you become friends. He talked to you something about Lavanya or something.
No.
When you are in stress, he shared something about
no,
you.
we
and-
didn't had any conversations about her, and this topic only came when, you know, she called me
Promotions.
and all of that. But then I still don't want to talk about his personal life, because it's his personal life, and if I stay away from it, it's better for me, better for him, and better for her as well. So I'm here to promote my film. I want to promote my film, and that's all, you know, that's all
target.
my target is right now.